Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on this wig. This is a synthetic wig. Look at it. It moves, it sways, you can run your hands through it. It looks natural, it's a beautiful, highlighted, and it's cheap, honey. It is cheap. Let me tell you how much I paid for this wig. I paid $13 American for this wig. I customized the bangs myself to make it look more suited for my face shape. So if you guys want to see how I did that and what this wig looks like out of the box, out of the package, stick around. Okay, I know it looks a little crazy right now, but let's brush her down. Type of brush I'm using is just a flexible brush. You don't need anything crazy with synthetic wigs. I had a question on my previous synthetic wig video that I wanted to answer, and the question was, how do you care for your synthetic wigs? Like, how do you maintain them? So what I do is I treat them just like any other wig. Whether or not it's human hair or synthetic, I condition them and I let it dry. So I wash it, I condition it, and I let it dry, and then I brush it and style it, and then it's good to go. This is what the bangs look like. So right off the bat, I don't like the length of them through the hair. Want to take off less than you need. So take off less, because you can always go back in after and take off some more, but you can't add it back obviously once you take it off, right? Once you cut it. So use your guide that you created with the hair, and a guide is just the previous hair that's been cut, and you just follow that line. Wow, this hair is so thick. I might thin it out with my thinning shears. How's she looking? Still a lot of hair. Sorry, I just turned the brightness down on my camera. Okay, so see, there's still a lot of hair. Let me see if I can pull this back a little bit more. I like my bangs to be like right above this length, so right above there. So it's still too much. It's not 100% even. Okay, so I'm gonna come back, you guys, once this is done, because I'm gonna take it off of my head and put it on a mannequin head and then cut it and then come back and show you guys, okay? Hey guys, welcome back. I'm back. So I pretty much finished cutting the bangs, but now I'm going to be thinning it out just a little bit. So I put some of the hair, I separated some of it, and now I'm gonna go in with my thinning shears. Thinning shears look like this, so it has like fine teeth and a straight edge. Okay, so now that I parted the hair, I'm gonna thin this section out. Okay. Because it's a bit too much hair. See, so the thinning just kind of gives you a little bit more natural looking bangs. It is very full. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna go back with my scissors because now I can see more clearly what I'm dealing with here. Okay, so now I'm gonna release that hair. Okay. But I think this wig looks so much better. I don't really want that to show much, if at all. See, now it's not as flashy. What do you guys think of the highlights on it? It's so pretty. So this is really cute, affordable option for you guys if you want to try like bangs, because you can customize them to however you want it. That's why I think they make it that long. $13 and a couple cents US, and it's from AliExpress. You guys know AliExpress is my plug. I spend hours, you know, searching for the discounts, the deals to bring to you guys. I don't usually wear synthetic wigs. To be honest, I don't really wear them outside. Sometimes I wear them around the house, you know, for my husband mainly, or like to take a cute picture, but I don't really wear them outside. But if I were to wear them, I would definitely say this would be one that I would wear because it looks that realistic.